Dear friends, in this video, let us look at some of the popular predictive analytics models which are widely used. And by no means it is an exhaustive list, but these are the most widely used models for decision making. So let's look at them. When we talk about predictive models, we need to understand the nature of y, which we call as dependent variable, which is a function of a set of predictor variables or features x. So y is the dependent variable. X is a set of predictor variables or features. Sometimes we use the word independent variables. I feel it's misleading because the variables that are independent need not be statistically independent. Therefore, I avoid the term because when you say statistically independent, they are uncorrelated. Here it's not necessary. So X is the set of features, and depending upon the scale of measurement, the model will be chosen. Y is continuous, X is also continuous, then the model to be used is multiple regression. When you have only one feature, multiple regression will become a simple regression. When y is continuous, x is categorical or qualitative in nature, then we use dummy regression model. When y is continuous but x is mixed, let's say some of them are features are continuous, some of the features are categorical, then we use multiple regression model with dummy coding for the categorical variables. Let's now look at the nature of y and the nature of x. Let me just make a small adjustment here in terms of readability. Let me just put it here. Now it looks fine. So nature of y, nature of x model to use. Supposing the y variable is grouping variable or the categorical binary type 0, 1. Nature of x is continuous. You can use logistic regression model. You can use logistic regression model or discriminant analysis, linear discriminant analysis of Fisher. Supposing binary categorical for the y variable 0, 1, x is categorical, you can still use logistic regression model. Now, multi-class methods, more than 2 classes, when it is continuous, you use multiple linear regression model. That's the beauty, ladies and gentlemen. Multiple regression model. Of course, you can use the multinomial logic, but generally for classification, people use multiple discriminant analysis. So we have considered 6 models so far, and these are the popular ones in the true sense. But now in the modernity world or the modernity dimension, if we take, we have Modern classifiers, particularly when the target variable is a grouping variable is 0 or 1 type or multi-class cases. The first one is CART, classification and regression tree. Second one, neural nets, which is part of AI and deep learning and all, general set, which can be used for classification. Then you have random forest, another powerful technique, which is an outstanding model methodology for classifiers. Excellent accuracy. You will get random forest. Then support vector missions. This is the beauty. Support vector mission is somewhat similar to the discriminant based on a scoring model. We will see the details later in another video. Then naive Bayes is another method which is based on the Bayesian analysis probability. So what I'm trying to say is broadly the predictive models that are being used widely are multiple regression analysis. When there is a dummy coding, it will be dummy regression, multiple regression. And then when the grouping variable is categorical or the target group is binary, both are same. In which case you use logistic regression, discriminant analysis. More than two classes, we use multiple discriminant analysis. And then when you have modern machine learning methodology used for predictive models type, we use CART, neural nets, random forest, support vector mission, naive Bayes. So these are the popular models that are under predictive analytics, and we will consider each one of them later separately with examples and all that. Right now, this is an introduction. How do you use the model based on the scale? So thank you very much. We will see you another video very soon in another video. Thanks a lot.